Alrighty. So today I want to do an open box for a pot of rose plant that I got from Grace Rose Farm. So this is, I think, the first year they are selling the rose bush, the rose plant itself, and they are mainly selling the florist rose plant. That means these are exclusively like Grace, like sell by Grace Rose Farm. You are not going to be able to see another farm out there or rose nursery selling them legally. Okay, so I actually got this like last minute when they have the extra, because I actually ordered bare root for I think fall this year or spring next year delivery. So this is a last minute purchase from my side, and so I just want to show you how it looks like. It's 1 gallon potted. Even though it's a potted plant, but it's actually grafted as well, so it's not on root. This is a grafted rose. So I want to open it up and show you all how the 1 gallon potted rose from Grace Rose Farm looks like. So here's the box. So it's pretty straightforward because it's one rose only. The box is beautiful. Okay, it's really beautiful. Look very nicely secure. So let me open it up and pull the rose out and show you how it looks like. There you go. So this is a golden trendsetter. I will show you the picture in the screen of the rose, how it's supposed to look like. But yeah, there you go. Looks like we have some little damage right here. Nothing serious, just a small thing. I can see there are some yellow leaves down there. No big deal. These are just because they were in the box. They don't have enough sun, so just pull them. No big deal at all. I think you can see some dieback right there. Again, nothing serious. So I see they have about, let me show you, 1, 2, 3, 4 cane on it. So I would say this is probably a pretty young grafted rose. So that's why it's not that big. But that's okay. They will grow really fast once we pot it up into the bigger pot, because this is grafted rose, it's not on root rose. So very tight, very nicely tied. So with the cable tie, so I think looks okay, looks good for me. So I'm gonna grow it, and I will show you all the update on this rose. This is actually from, if I remember correctly, is from VIP Roses. I love all the Dutch rose. Actually, they are usually pretty disease resistant, and the bloom usually is a lot. They bloom a lot. Very heat resistant usually as well, which is surprisingly heat resistant. So anyway, I will have to grow this first to see how these actually do in my garden, and then later on I will do a rose review about it, because honestly nobody really know how they grow, because this is the first time we do it. All right, hope it helped. See you next time. Bye.